Hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to the Officer Atta 24/7, the special session of your Indian Contract Act that we are doing. So this is very important act, okay? So yesterday we have just started the part 1. So today we are going to start the part 2. So in the part 2 there are three concepts that we have to study. First of all, about the minor, then about its effect of non-registration. Okay, so these are the important part. So first of all, class, what is minor? Who is minor? If I say you the one, ask you the one question that who is minor class? Okay, so in that case, we can easily say a minor cannot, okay, cannot enter into the contract. Is that okay? A minor cannot enter into the contract. So minor is a person that is below 18, that is minor. Okay. A contract with a minor is totally void. Okay. A contract with a minor is totally void. So guys, there is a two terms. The first is void agreement and the second is void contract. So what is the basic difference between void agreement and void contract? So guys, void agreement is basically from the initial, it is totally void. That's why we just call it a void agreement. Okay. And void contract, initially it is valid, but later on it is totally void. Suppose if I just book an hotel. So initially, if I have taken the advance, that is the valid one. But later on, the government just give an order to just cancel all the booking till 1st of January. So this is now it is called a void contract. Okay, so this is the basic difference between void agreement and the void contract. Done? Void agreement and void contract. Done? Okay. So, since the partnership is the relation resulting from contract, a minor cannot be a partner in a firm. A minor cannot be a partner in a firm. A minor can be admitted, but class C, minor cannot be admitted to this one, but minor can be admitted to the benefits of partnership with the consent of all the partners. This is important. Class, this is important that I have told you about the minor. See, okay, class. So this is important part. Done. Now, class, the second paragraph I will tell you with a very beautiful diagram, and you can easily understand. Now, see, this is X person, who X person. Now, X person is minor. X person is minor. So we know that when X is minor, he can just take the benefits. But once he become the major now, and that rule is given in section 30. When he become major, so he have a 6-month time period in which he have to declare through the public notice that whether he want to become a partner or whether he don't want to become a partner. Suppose is the 1st January 2006 he become minor. 1 January 2008 he become major. Okay, so from 1 January 2008 to 1 July 2008 he have a time to declare whether he want to become a partner or not. Suppose if he declare in 2008 that he just want to become a partner, so his liability will be start from this date. Okay. And suppose if we don't want to become a partner, so his liability, suppose 1/4/2008, okay, so his liability will be end here. Okay, so these two are very important point. And suppose if we declare, suppose in 6 months he say nothing. In 6 months, if he say nothing, so he will be assumed as a partner. He will be assumed as a partner. This is an important point. Okay, he will be assumed as a partner. Important point. Done, class? So this concept is very much important. Okay, this concept is very much important. Okay, now we will just do this particular paragraph that is written here, that he cannot be the full-fledged partner after a minor partner attain majority. She has to decide within 6 months whether to continue or leave the partnership. Okay, whichever be the decision taken, it's give rise to different right and responsibility for the person. Similarly, suppose if any partner is going to be retired, okay, or if any partner is to be insolvent, so for that thing, okay, the retirement of partner or the insolvency of partner also give rise to certain rights and responsibility, not only for retiring insolvent but also to the partnership firm. Exactly, because we know that what is partnership firm? Partnership firm is basically the partners are collectively known as the partnership firm. That's it. Okay, so I hope so. This paragraph is clear to all of you. Now the first question on the screen is that a minor can be the partner in a partnership firm. A minor can be the partner in a partnership firm. So guys, this is absolutely the false statement. A minor can be admitted to the benefits of partnership firm. A minor can be admitted to the benefits of partnership firm. That is a true. A minor is personally liable, like other partner, to pay the debt of the firm. This is absolutely the false statement. A minor who is admitted to the benefit of partnership firm has a choice when he attains maturity as to whether he wants to continue as a partner or not. The answer is absolutely the true statement. A minor partner on attaining the majority has to give public notice within 15 days of attaining the majority. So class, a minor partner on attaining majority has to give public notice within 15 days. The answer is false. A minor partner who has attained majority may give public notice to the effect whether he elected to become a partner or not. That is true and false. So here class, that is absolutely the true statement. Okay. So I hope so. This is clear to all of you about the minor. Okay, this segment is very much important. Now, about the dissolution of partnership form. So dissolution is basically, there is a two word that you have to discuss. That is dissolution of partnership firm, okay, and reconstitution of partnership firm. So both are the different words, okay. So class, a firm, a firm can be dissolved by agreement between the partners, okay, by the court. It means what are the way in which it can be dissolved? By the court, okay, between the partners by the court, or it get compulsory dissolved under in certain circumstance on the happening of the certain contingency. So these are the basic things in which the partnership form can be dissolved. If you want to dissolve through the court, so one partner have to file the case, otherwise no. Okay. However, notwithstanding the dissolution, the partner continue to be liable to the third party for the act done by them before dissolution until public notice is there. So class, if the partnership firm is going to be dissolved now, so always remember public notice is very much required that you have to give. Without public notice, the liability will be as it is. That's why public notice is very much important. Done class? So this is important point. Done class? Okay, that's cool. Now class, the next. The partner can mutually agree and dissolve the firm. Tell me, is that true and false? So class, the next is on the death of partner, the partnership firm is compulsory dissolved. On the death of partner, the partnership firm is compulsory dissolved. The answer is false. That is not compulsory. Okay, this is not compulsory. Done. Now, the effect of non-registration. This is important point. Okay, so if we talk about the registration, so for a partnership firm, it is not compulsory to be registered. That is important. Okay, so that's why for partnership firm, it is optional. Okay, so a company is compulsory required to be incorporated under the Register of Company under Company Act, but it is not mandatory for the partnership firm. So, however, there are certain disadvantages if the partnership firm is what? Not registered. Certain disadvantage is there. Okay. Example, a partner of unregistered firm cannot enforce by the way of suit any right available to him under the Indian Partnership Act. Exactly. So class, if any partner, or we can say if the partnership firm is not registered now, so always remember, a partner cannot, a partner cannot enter into the what? A partner cannot enter into the, or we can say a partner cannot file the case. Okay, a partner cannot file the case. That is important to the firm, partnership firm, and to the third party. That is important. Okay, so any doubt? Okay, class, and C, the third party can file the case. Okay, the third party can file the case. That's it. Done, class? Thank you. You can also see here that is what is written in this, what is written. Similarly, an unregistered firm cannot enforce by the way of suit any right arising by the contract against any third party, but the enforcement of any right to sue for the matter relating to the dissolution of firm and other matter which is enumerated above is not affected can be brought before the court of law. That's a simple one. Now, a partner of unregistered firm can file a suit against other partner to get his share of profit. Tell me, class. A partner of unregistered firm can file a suit against other partner to get his share of profit. The answer is false. The enforcement of any right to sue for the matter relating to dissolution is not affected and can be brought before the court of law. This is absolutely the true statement. Okay, so these are the important things that we have to discuss in the Indian Partnership Act. So guys, we have a foundation batch right now. We have just launched a two foundation batch. The first name is Increment Pro batch, which is already started from 1st of December, and this is your elevation batch, which is started from 21st of December. So guys, if you want to crack this paper, so you have to, you can say, apply the coupon code Y391 for the maximum discount, because right now the heavy discount is going on. So this is your elevation batch. Apply the coupon code Y391 for the maximum discount in the elevation batch. Okay. Then guys, see, in the foundation batch, you are getting the live classes, recorded session, PDF, chapter wise questions, ebooks, etc. Okay. So this is our Telegram ID. You can scan this barcode and come in our session. Okay, so for maximum discount, apply this coupon code Y39. Then we also have a mock test separately. You can purchase separately. Ebooks are there, books are there, and this is CAIIB Mahapack. If you want to enroll in CAIIB Mahapack, so heavy discount is going on. Triple validity is also there. So apply the coupon code, because in CAIIB Mahapack you are getting the material of 2023 November, you are getting the material of 2024, 2025, etc. Okay, so do not forget to apply this or enroll in the CAIIB Mahapack by applying the coupon code that is 5391 for the maximum discount. In CAIIB ka Mahapack also you are getting the recorded session of the elective paper also, okay, and the books, etc. Thank you so much.